So this old guy DIY has to do with replacing a frozen, rusted in 19-year-old caliper bolt. And I've seen many guys when they replace hubs in the comment section talk about, what about a Midwestern truck where everything is rusted tighter than hell? Well, this is that vehicle. So on this particular truck I could not get this stud off, so I ended up tearing out the threads on the backside, just using the proper tool to do the job, but the head gave before anything else. So then I hit it with PB Blaster. I put heat to it, and then you can see I tried to grind some flats on here so I could grab it with a pipe wrench, and ultimately the ticket to get it loose was this 18-inch bar with a 12-foot extension through the center. Then I had a pipe wrench on this side, and we added about 30 inches of happiness. So with one man on the pipe, the other man over here, we ran them until both of us were ready to have a hernia. All of a sudden there was a snap, and now the little stud is loose. So the moral of this story is, don't give up. Man can beat machine. It takes heat and leverage. Have a nice day.